Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps closing on the application of a royal match with good settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of a royal match and we click here. In this page of app on phone we go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we turn on your airplane mode. And you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching.